The testing phase is split into two subsections. You have the quality assurance and the approval and sign-off process. Quality assurance is a process that ensures there's no mistakes in your email campaign. Here, we're not talking about things like spelling mistakes. We're talking about critical mistakes that would actually limit the likelihood of the campaign reaching its objectives. There are 4 steps you should use every time you run an email campaign, quality assurance. The first one is checking the email render. So that's using a tool like Litmus or manually checking on different email clients that your email is actually rendering correctly. Technically, this should be done by the coder when he's coding the email. However, as a marketer, it's your responsibility that an email campaign reaches its objectives, and therefore you should double check. Sending the internal test is the second quality assurance step. This involves sending an email to an internal distribution list. So it's a real send, not a sample email, but it's to internal staff to check that everything's working smoothly. The third step in quality assurance is the live send test. So this involves sending a live email to real customers, but limiting to a very small subset, so that if there is any mistakes or any problems with your email, you're limiting the damage significantly. And then the last 4th step is reviewing and refining the live send test results to see how was it effective, were there any problems, how we can improve before the live send. Now, this 2-step cycle, live send test and review and refine, can be repeated as many times as necessary before the live send to ensure the effectiveness and quality of the email campaign.